Now, please remain standing for our invocations. Our first invocation will be given by Rabbi Alicia Harris of Congregation Shir Tikva in Troy, Michigan.
Holy source of light and life, we are grateful for the right and the privilege to vote. Expressing our voices in this way was not always allowed for so many of us in this country, and we recognize our ancestors who fought for this freedom. We thank you for giving the people of this country a voice in this election. This was a challenging season for us, and we are grateful to be moving forward, and even more grateful that the people of Michigan made it clear. This is no place for hatred, bigotry, xenophobia, or racism. Be with the electors as they finalize the vote for Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. Our voices are a precious gift that you gave us, and we use them to stand up for what is right. May this count be swift and clear. And Creator, we ask that you will be with President Biden and Vice President Harris as they begin this new journey. May they find fulfillment and purpose in the work that they do. May they find ways to unify this country. May they protect all of our citizens, especially the most vulnerable. And may they be wise and thoughtful in their governance. Be with all of the people throughout this land who are fighting COVID-19. Keep us healthy and safe. Help us feel loved and bring us peace. Amen.
Thank you, Rabbi Harris.